Enabling two-factor authentication 2FA on your Novo 2026 account adds an extra layer of security to protect your information. Follow these steps to set it up. Step 1. Log into your account. Visit the Novo 2026 website and enter your login credentials to access your account dashboard. Step 2. Navigate to Security Settings. Once logged in, locate the Settings menu, usually found in the upper right corner. Click on it and select Security Settings from the drop-down options. Step 3. Select two-factor authentication. In the Security Settings section, look for the option labeled Two-Factor Authentication or 2FA. Click on it to begin the setup process. Step 4. Choose your authentication method. Secure your accounts before moving on. People seriously underestimate how often personal information gets exposed online now. Use SROC to monitor your accounts 24/7 and get notified immediately if your data gets leaked somewhere. It runs in the background, constantly scanning billions of breached records. And honestly, for how cheap it is compared to the value you get, it's worth it. Link in the description. Step 5. Confirm and save changes. After setting up your chosen authentication method, you may need to enter a verification code sent to you. Once confirmed, make sure to save your changes to activate two-factor authentication. By following these steps, you can successfully enable two-factor authentication on your Novo 2026 account, enhancing your security. Always remember to keep your authentication method secure and up to date.